all the biggie. Look to that, this is permanent number thing as some along or the lay. At the ring of Suchigi. This is tasting out so kind of eating today. Namgitata, Namgi to the one cause over the three. Then name that Namshi Sawoja, Nimango Shusha is Mayaga into the money. Okonaski, to get Chani, Gavani Lemus who was over. Just then tapped in a Mazoine, to the chicken near town. Just doing the money. That Arine, Jamato, Sangi Nani had Tijima. Some hours get Chan goes on China, number language to look Susie took to the desk, nasty. Yalangadi, none in this say this donadi, I catch him with tongue so. Shui. That's another topic, the rational numbers. We did last week and then week before last. Then the lobs and details to more. China was another up to the banana. Tawachik coach, the lobs and the world of the chair, the lobs and the kitchen budget. Kitchen in the bang of the Tawachik scour. Then the money, not the lave the lane bene, get to the chick lobs and the wichick, not the chick not sat to wash. So sugar sat to one lay. Then the nurse not some gold, the Mode Church or the Dignity Budon test score. Now we'll do operation of fresh numbers. And I won't do any revision of what we did previous weeks. Let's check out operation for operation. Check out the machine to the window. Next, do not jam out the geometry dog or geometry lines and angles dog or day the one and then check the delos in the ring board. And the name is the Masa Yangato. And the name of Shaggy Toshigi. Okay, we'll reach addition of fresh numbers. Addition chooks goes over the English shout. The addition was to cut down. Addition also by finding LCM. Okay. Rational number ni ten rational number ni denominator loga imbana the denominator chip so this jangota denominator chip hande so na we have to find the LCM of two denominators. The LCM method mare senso LCM method mare ngadu kare by using prime factorization method pe tane LCM sila jangota. Okay, and then you add the numerators. Add the numerators. Numerator add the integers counters addition to the chicken as numerator add here. The name of the numerator don't say right. That is numerator was get the common denominator and just shoes this will just. Okay, that's the name of the and then try to make it in standard form. Okay, standard form is similar. Depending on the addition charge, just get some constraint. Example is this now. Okay, 7 upon 10. This is 3 upon 5 plus negative 7 upon 10. Okay, that over here, denominators are different. In a bracket muching da. Or Kadushan. Okay, that I have to do the denominator in logar denominator cheaper so make the denominator same by finding LCM of two denominators. So LCM you find LCM of 5 and 10. Or LCM of 5 and 10 is 10. Okay, 3 upon 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. You multiply same number to the numerator. And this is equivalent rational number of 3 upon 5. Plus negative 7 upon 10. Multiply by 1, you multiply by 1. 10 minus 10, right? So the 6 upon 10 plus negative 7 upon 10. That's step you make the denominator same. This level. Or the denominator was add the numerators. Also, I'm going to add 6 plus negative 7. Okay, and how to write the common denominators. Denominator how to common 10 write the common denominators. Okay. The integer dumsi somebody must not you put okay. Angi can check the task 6 star 7 check and angi check scientist 1 upon 10. Okay. The Kuniniga la confid 1 le check carduta 1 member. Right? The Kuniga confid 1 le check made number you write over here. Depending on the addition of the jar. Addition of rational numbers. Now we'll do subtraction of additive inverse. Additive inverse is additive identity. Okay. The integers 7 plus dash is equal to 7. Angirangja level a rational number nimdo a 7 rational number 7 into Kurtomna Angira rational number Rangja. So we think identity class 6 integers chawre is money 7 plus dash is equal to number multiplier 7 plus 0 is equal to 7 the 0 the additive identity. Additive identity chart. Okay. The additive inverse correct. Angi 7 nimdo kari toms na lor. Additive identity like this 7 kari tom na 0 like this lor. The 7 no kari tom na integers lang kar chare additive inverse of a number is its negative lang chare. It's negative. Additive inverse of a number is its negative. The positive 7 is opposite. Negative opposite. Positive 7 opposite negative 7. So 7 plus negative 7 will be equals to 0. So additive inverse of 7 is negative 7. Additive inverse of negative 8 is Karnina. Or dominant answer 0 level last. Additive inverse of negative 8 is opposite of negative 8. That is positive 8. Right? Then was class 6 chapter or 6 chapter the integers division class 7 division also we learned we revised that one. Then the additive inverse of a number is negative and subtraction is inverse of addition. Division is inverse of multiplication right? And subtraction is inverse of addition. Tanga additive inverse the idea can that's into the subtraction of two rational numbers ba nge tang di ma seung ne first step da le find the additive inverse. Second step and third and fourth and this is fifth. That step. Did you put it? Additive inverse. Additive inverse karna angi karine dig opposite sign there is. The rational number to additive inverse of 2 upon 3. So what is additive inverse of negative 2 upon 3? Positive 2 upon 3. What is additive inverse of 4 upon 5? Negative 4 upon 5. Opposite sign. Sign jolo chupur. Chuk positive chik negative rest lor. Koni ni additive inverse rest. The subtraction is this na. 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 3. This is checking it to denominator loga shake it. Okay. First step 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 3. 3 upon 4 ne 10 lor. 5 upon 3 ma 10 lor. 5 upon 3 10 lor. Tanga the sign dictate minus ding now plus chara. Now you have to find the additive inverse of 5 upon 3. Additive inverse of 5 upon 3 set. And then you change negative sign to positive. Or 3 minus ne plus the plus addition janwa addition or 10 the opposite carriers. Negative 3 upon 5. Sorry, 5 upon 3. No. 1 3. The change is on it inverse. Or digital check it to the. Okay. Now you step new. make the denominator same by finding LCM. So else you try to make the denominator 3 and 4 LCM set, and you try to make the denominator same. Right? Equivalent rational number set. So equivalent rational number set dollar the common denominator out. As the lowest common denominator, so you have to find LCM of 4 and 3. Or you multiply these two. These two are co-prime numbers. Configure one machine make it to the co-prime numbers. Right. So then you multiply 4 is 12. That 12 level 4 causes 12. 3 upon 4, 4, 3 is 12. And equivalent rational numbers denominator numerator multiply plus negative 5 upon 3. 3 how many times you get 12? 4. You multiply by 4. So 9 upon 12 plus negative 5 upon 12. Okay, the dividend was solved. We complete this part. We make the denominator same by finding LCM of two denominators. Okay. The next step is add the numerators. Numerator in terms plus sign the add the numerators. Number 9 plus negative 5. And write the common denominators. Common denominators. Okay. Then my numerator I have to understand how to add two integers. Right? It integer neither the positive 9 the negative 5. Don't you sign log you write the sign larger number and subtract 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 upon 12. The positive trinity to suffer. Next step 50. Make it in standard form. Standard form or the going to configure all both numerator and denominator are divisible by 4. Okay, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. That's later. The day of data. The minus sign the plus inverse the minus sign call it. Tell the or the next basket shaking also negative 5 and 3 conclude kit into court. The day the one you shake dinner, question the 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 3 dustina. Or 30 negative 5 and 3 kilo. Shake the positive 5 and 3 shake negative regular mouse didn't remove much. Shake it in minus pop up and the number was you were 3, you multiply by 3, you multiply by 4, you multiply by. Okay, I did not a 4 5 20 or 20. So you get negative 20 and negative 11 upon 12. Oh, the corner. Then you can't allow the 2 into 3. Okay. 4. Denominator multiply 4, you multiply 4. So 3 multiply 9 minus 20 and 12. The integers to you 3 minus okay 7 dustena 3 minus 7 or 3 minus negative 7 dustena bracket 3 plus 7 opposite shake bracket them also. Okay, then accept it negative 11 upon 12. So this again also negative kid on the cut the additive inverse the order. The negative sign the number kid on the negative does me. The also kid you sign minus shake it negative notation to order. The addition subtraction subtraction ching control. Now to do that. Inverse the set in my show. Oh, that is similar. Okay, negative 2 upon 9 minus 3 upon what's the 8. Find the additive inverse number. Additive inverse 3 upon 8 is negative 3 upon 8. Check on minus up. Then you step what make the denominator same by finding LCM. You find LCM 9 and 8, 72. Negative 2 upon 9, 9, 8, 72. You multiply by 8 minus 3 upon 8, 8 multiplied by 9. You multiply by 9. So denominator was LCM 72 hour 9 kazuk 72 9 8 72 dishes. So the denominator 8 multiply in numerator 8 multiply chokos. Can you value 2 of negative 2 of 90 value got up chokomas. Value on just equivalent rational number cell. An equivalent rational number cell either you multiply or divide to both numerator and denominator by same number. Okay. So you get negative 16 minus 27. Okay. Next, add numerators. Numerating a tomato order. and write the common denominators. We get 72. Then get 72 common step up. Now sign you write the common sign and then add. So you get 43 upon 72. The 43 and 72 are common factor. This is in standard form. Then example, last example, subtraction negative 3 upon 4 minus negative 6 upon 8. Yeah, 5 upon 6. This is delete is the bunny. First step, you try to remove the bracket. Bracket remove negative 3 upon 4 sign sign positive in the body out. Then to bracket negative bracket now opposite sign plus 5 upon 6. Okay. Then you find denominator, same by finding LCM. 4 and 6 LCM, so we get 12. So multiply by 4 causes 12. 4 3 is 12, you multiply by 3 over here. 6 causes 12, 6 2 is 12, you multiply by 2. So negative 9 plus 10 and 12, you write the common denominator. That sign number 2 match 1 upon 12. This is answer. Okay. Multiplication. That the addition subtraction same thing in that. As the bottom what in the bar, I need to put off something on my door. Now we'll shift to multiplication. Example gives us 2 upon 3 multiplied by 2. Okay. Multiplication to the multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication repeated addition 2 upon 3 the Tamuni Tomsor. Domina denominator common denominator and numerator Tomsla 4 upon 3 others. The 4 upon 3 did a constructor. 4 upon 3 did a relation. 4 upon 3 constructors. 2 to Southers. 4. 2 to the denominator 1 take 3 1 Southers. 3 1 3 Takardo. Numerator multiplication answer diraudo, a denominator multiplication answer thing. Tom get you putting it also. Example, first example thing, the first example. A second example get multiply by 3 to standing. This is not 2 upon 5 and Thomasum doms. 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. I mean, in addition of denominator is a rational number in the bar, you have to make the denominator same. But over here, all the denominators same. And then you have to add the numerators 2 plus 2 plus 2 and write the common denominators to start. The common denominators. So we have 6 upon 5 of those. The 6 upon 5 did they can be changed. 3 to the 3 upon 1 to the all the integers have denominator 1. Therefore, all the integers are rational numbers. Okay. That 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 1 is we get 5. Answer is what? I repeated this to answer Tomar. Shaking at this blood. That did not occur. We are multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominators. The multiplication of rational numbers comes Karna. Of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers correct. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominators. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. This lot. That idea can check it. You repeat it wrong. So repeated addition to the Pemudura, a fraction rational number than test another repeated fraction department Uncle repeat it. Whole number 10, Matemani, Temosum to counting numbers to the temoni multiply it, temosum multiply it lato. But given fraction, only 3 upon 4 multiplied by 1 of 4, 3 upon 4 give 1/4 over there. 1 over 4. Okay, that the name the money, repeat addition to the color word. Now, she get to that. Example it to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 2 upon 5 to stand. Instruction category. When you do multiplication of rational numbers, you multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominators. Multiply 3 multiplied by 2 and 4 multiplied by 5. Instruction the follow. At this step, the follow Chisa. Next, always think of making standard form. Okay, make it in standard form. Standard form. So, standard form negative sign should be at the numerator, and both numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. And the name is a standard form like this. I'm going to be saying that standard form negative sign the numerator shall and numerator the denominator ni para koni nigal go to number 1 month delete meos. Okay. That the name is the money. First step, I did follows. You multiply the numerator by numerator. 3 times 2, 6. 4 times 5, 20. This is the when you go to the number of this. You go to the number 6 and 20. You go to the number 2. Or 2. 6, 3, and 10. There are the only shoot less now. Numerator and denominator need standard from the sort. I have to find SCF. Now, then you get 2, 6, and 20 LCF 2 chapters. So I divide by 2. SCF to Achura. In this company, I get Chimbuna, my SCF say the color cars. The SCF say color card, Tangun effect the change in this company, go confit about Kata. Confit Katana, they did need Nalone, Yam to combine in the dish out. Step hungry draw your much. Example it 3 upon 4. Multiply by 2 upon 5. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Then numerator and denominator confit a card. Kanda 1 year go to number card. Or they 2 do. 2 Kazuki 4, 2 4 go to those. Or good to 1, 2, 2. That there 1 less 2 they do it to window 3 they do it. So we don't have common factors. So the more to each do you copy all the number correctly. 3, they'll have 1 right, or they'll remain question 2 dividing and 5. Now you multiply the number 2, 3 1s are 3, and 2 5s are 10. I get and this standard form of Tamun down confident katana. Examining it to Oh, 20 upon 27 to stand. Okay. Thank you, step difference. Okay. You multiply numerator by numerator. 9 multiplied by 20. And denominator multiplied by denominator. Okay. That numerator and denominator confident correct. 0 in the level numerator 0 to denominator 0 or 0 katana, you divide by 10. 10 katana. Oh, 9 how many times you get? 27. 9 1s are 9. 9 3 that they can say 1, the 2 last 2, the 1 1 and 3. So multiply the numerators 1 times 2 and 1 times 3. That's an example positive change number. Next thing is negative rational number 2. So now the fraction give multiplication wishing to na and to not which can there. The Tawakare integer to go at. Okay, negative 3 upon 7 multiplied by negative 2 upon, let's say 5. The instruction got numerator multiplied by numerators. Negative 3 multiplied by negative 2. And denominator multiplied by denominator. The first step the confect numerator and denominator confect. Okay. 3 then you go to 1, negative 2 then you go to window, middle confect your mark. method you multiply the numerator by numerator. Sign check when you do not, we get positive. Product of 2 same sign will be positive, and 3 times 2 equals to 6, and 7 5 is 35. Then you plus and trinity or maternity, summative. Okay, example of one do that. Understand? Okay, the second rational number. Need sign gandwa, this Tamil stand from so now I negative 7 upon 9 multiplied by negative 6 upon 5. Sign to can't get side denominator from say. Sign can't get side, and she needs my see of. Negative, what transition is going on much? Since I get that. Now you multiply the numerator by numerator. Numerator negative 7 multiplied to numerator negative 5. And denominator 9 multiplied to 5. The kind of one you could comment. I'm going to do you confidence. 6 ta 9 nigal go to number career 3 or so get 3 kata 3 times 2 or 3 times 3. Okay, that is first step you multiply the two signs. Sign 2 point you get positive. And 7 multiplied by 2 you get 14. And 3 multiplied by 5 you get 15. The guessing in the water and just showing negative 7 upon 9 multiplied by 6 upon negative 5. What is the last step from CA? Okay. Negative 7 multiplied by 6 and negative 9 multiplied by negative 5. Ko yama tuna kya yama de ne tan to sting da ni denominator sha je denominator sing da. Okay. The confit ni to 3 times 2 3 times 3. We have negative 7 multiplied by 2 and 3 multiplied by negative 5. Now you multiply the numerator. We get negative 14 and negative 15. Okay. Numerator and denominator sign check positive rational number like this. So you can cut. And this is 14 upon 15. And this is what the current solve in the Marta. Solve the money. Okay, that's the next, we will do division. Division will do regular, reciprocal, or multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. Okay, thinking out additive identity. 장가 가리니 딩님도 가리도 무슨 암서 안그랑 잘 리그레스. 제가 안 가리니 떼게 딩님도 들어도 무슨 안그랑 잘 리그도. 제 들어도 에디티브 아이덴티티스. 라. 다들 멀티플리케이션 지부지게 멀티플리케이션로 안기 가리 때는 딩님도 가리 멀티플라이나 안서 랑잘 리그도 했어. For example 10이나 당하시라. 딩님도 가리 멀티플라이나 안서 10 랑잘 리그레스. 안데 가서 뭐냐면 자라. Jigirayin, Jurayin, or Gujikurayin, Jara. So 10 ones are 10. So one the correct multiplicative identities. Okay, multiplicative identities. The multiplicative inverse na correct. Multiplicative inverse lo bakane ange khare ne dingim do ange sema chi gunne product 1 range dala multiplicative inverse le a number multiplied the given number, so as to get multiplicative identity, that is 1. Okay. 1 la and given number chicken the number multiply and 1 lang and number the multiplicative identity. For example, get this na 3 multiplied by dash is equal to 1. This can stay some time. Okay, that's some time. Okay, 3 multiplied by negative 3. 3 multiplied by negative 3 how to do it? Sin log product with negative 3 and 9. 1 ramaswa, so this is wrong. The multiplicative inverse of a number is not its negative. Additive also additive inverse it's negative. Additive inverse of a number is its negative. So the multiplication is negative 2. Okay. That's how to do it. 1 down. That's how to do it. Okay, let's say 1 upon 3 is not 1 upon 3 is numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by 3 lavada 3 upon 1 to the 1 multiplied by and 3. So the common factor. You 3 to do 1 1. So 1 1 is 1 and 1 1 is 1. 1 upon 1 equals to 1. So 1 upon 3 luna 3 into 1 upon 3 multiplication 1. Okay, that's the multiplicative inverse. Okay, multiplicative inverse. The multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 upon 3. Okay, multiplicative inverse of 10 is 1 upon 10. Now the idea is multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 upon 3. Multiplicative inverse of 10 is 1 upon 10. Don't you push it out? Numerator 1 is denominator and carry with the machine or 10. The thing is that 3 in multiplicative inverse 1 upon 3 reduce. 10 multiplicative inverse 1 upon 10 reduce. 3 louder 3 upon 1 to the chipper, 10 louder 10 upon 1 to the chipper. Go ahead. Kushilode. Kushiloda. Oh, Kushilo get the language color. Reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal. So reciprocal the multiplicative inverse chat. So the multiplicative inverse color. Okay, the multiplicative inverse of a number is reciprocal. Reciprocal na loctang lit. Begin national loctang. Ra, oh gushi log get that. Okay, example it is multiplicative inverse. Two upon 5 to stanang. Cosa julo. Numerator, denominator. Kushulol, Julol. Ganda what Julos is equal to 10 equal to 10 nor da is 5 upon 2. In a positive inverse multiplicative inverse the reciprocal the positive right. So or in multiplicative inverse the positive negative multiplicative inverse the negative right. Angichi would go down. Say Jula. Okay. That de la ganzo reciprocal da reciprocal. I don't know. To work with the logo, to not what? Oh, negative 7 upon 3 is negative sign. You only you change the figure 3 upon 7. Those my change there. Okay, that's the multiplicative inverse. That and that multiplicative. 1 upon 5 thế nào? That's 1 upon 3 की multiple inverse करे 3 चार 3 की multiple inverse करे 1 upon 3 10 की multiple inverse 1 upon 10 ना 1 upon 10 की multiple inverse 10 so 1 upon 5 की multiple inverse करे is 5 तो ना करे 5 और 1 2 1 3 multiply में जाएंगे are simply right 5 the reciprocal of 1 upon 5 is 5 the reciprocal of 2 upon 5 is 5 upon 2 the reciprocal na करे ना अब multiple inverse रेस ना होता है समझा okay the number गुशु गुशु लोगे दला हम reciprocal लगता गुशु लोग स्टार्ट दा so दी करे रे दीदी number take यो दिगे अब multiplicative inverse रेस ना तो multiplicative inverse चेंज ना division करे multiplicative inverse रे समझा division the inverse of multiplication दा जितना आजू दी आइडिया फिर ना होते 생애 디비전 또 마동이 아니라 당연히 멀티플리케이션 가르치고 명에 드린다. 멀티플리케이션 값소 값 가래 numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. Oh, this is the answer. Right, multiplication. Okay. The division goes the first step. You have to find the multiple inverse. This is 3 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2. And this is dividend. The dividend. And this is divisor. Dividend and divisor. Now you have to find the multiple inverse of divisor itself. Because multiplication is inverse of division. Tama the multiplication is so division is you have changed to multiplication. Change order, you have to find the reciprocal of this, or you have to find the multiplicative inverse of 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4 divisor the multiple inverse you change, and you find the multiple inverse of 2. So half, and half is 2 upon 1. Ko kushilo sa to left. Okay, then you change the division. Did you change here? That is multiplication. You multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. The ganda one you confident pakatana sa. Oh, they'll 2 do that. Okay, 2 1 is 2. You remaining 2 2 to 4. How you this? The confident 3 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 1. So confident 3 1 is 3 and 2 1 is 2. Kolela the division. Division step tamu kare division order division sign ne so multiplication sign change or dollar division koral method yo mares division dikhatne multiplication change ores multiplication la numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator ores jidanga multiplication division ne multiplication change or dollar nga kare divide ge multiplicative inverse ores multiplicative inverse sig pusto bana divide ge reciprocal ores reciprocal na khalna ko gushilo ge dela reciprocal res negative 3 upon 8 divided by negative okay 9 upon 16 9 upon 16 right. First step you try to change division to multiplication negative dividend addition divisor you find the reciprocal of divisor sign addition sa numerator reciprocal to see kushlo sa siya. Okay, now you multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. That confident karta. Kabo confident mongolesir. Right. Okay, they 8 to those. These are 8 to the 8 1 8. Nga go those thing da 8 2 16. Need sign da you write over here need 2. Okay, 3 need 1 3 1 3 3 3. Ta khala se. Moto jing go go na ge samwa de. Negative 1 multiplied by negative 2. Okay. 1 multiplied by 3. To confidence box sign 그러면 제가 아기 찍고 싶 컨퍼런스야. 저는 네거티브 디 당자 대시오다. 내가 니가 8 도와서는 8 2 16 8 1 8. 내가 니가 3 도와줘서 3 1 3 네거티브 사인 안 제시오. 3 times 3 9 안 제봐 보다. 단 니만 사인 찍고 유나 with positive 2 and 3. 콜레라우다 디비전. Okay. That the thing we have to do combined problems, right? Combined problems to show you. That I'm working bracket you the bracket you do. For example, get to okay, to try. That in the color, Tamuyan the Toms. The Tomiola and the multiply chase. Probably Manguchi, the Gauchang, the Scatunda, or the common chick tries that. Okay, bracket you to the back cut in a bracket down to the gap, like 2 days. Tamunya bracket down to the gap and the patches. A talamont of my water. On the day, you're taking Tamuya the bracket to nothing either. Gala Tamu did not see gablar. Then bracket the bar. That denominator, Tomzica to denominator was all right. You could remember you find L some 2 denominators. 3 and 4 L some 12. In bar, okay. 3 casu 12. Then I change it to 3 4 is 12, you multiply 4. 4 3 is 12, you multiply by 3. So the 8 upon 12. Plus 3 upon 12 multiply by 3 upon 2 to Shaswa. Okay, that denominator you write the common denominator and add the numerator. 8 plus 3 you get 11 multiply by 3 upon 2. The multiplication goes on numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator. 11 multiply by 3 and 12 multiply by 2. The Gana one you confident carta. You 3 do that 3 1 3 go 3 4 12 go the motor to that. So you have 11 multiplied by 1 and 4 multiplied by 2. Now you multiply 11 once 11 and 4 times 2 equals to 8. Okay. That's the class 70 generation. Class 7 they got to some god. Sometimes some things like the current board. The geometry doing a geometry drawing with number language with teaching the protected the narrow tissue, and Yamdola pencil number tissue, and remote ticket and geometric jam, which again. I'm not the shaggy, that's all. I told you now.